Welcome to Easy Learning. Dictation starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. The police had carried on the proceedings and finally recommended for its cancellation on the sole ground that the complainant had failed to lead cogent and convincing, oral as well as documentary evidence. Full stop. The above mentioned wording of the learned magistrate is nothing but a stamp of confirmation, upon the proceedings of the police in a slipshod manner without application of judicious mind. Full stop. Such a practice is always disapproved by superior courts of the country. Full stop. Unless the investigation of a case is transferred to another police station or district, no first information report can be cancelled without the orders of a magistrate of the first class. Full stop. On the other hand, if the incident is found to be maliciously false owing to mistake of law or fact, or to be non-cognizable or matter for a civil suit, the superintendent shall send the first information report and any other papers on record in the case with the final report to a magistrate having jurisdiction, and being a magistrate of the first class, for orders of cancellation. Full stop. On receipt of such an order, the officer in charge of the police station shall cancel the first information report, cancelling the case with number and date of order. Full stop. He shall then return the original order to the superintendent's office to be filed with the record of the case. Full stop. The order passed by the judicial magistrate does not disclose any of the above mentioned reasons, hence could not be termed as justified. Full stop. The magistrate must realize that the power to cancel a police case is of wide amplitude, which has the effect of bringing to halt a criminal prosecution, which otherwise would entail a detailed process. Full stop.